Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I have you in my bathroom and we are going to do a little get ready with me. Today's going to be super fun. So today's Sunday and it is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day outside. So Caleb and I are going to get ready, get all dressed up, and we're going to go out to a local town called Wimberley, and I am so excited. So it's very close to the green area. So if you haven't watched my green travel vlog, go back and watch that vlog because that one's super, super sweet and I love that town. So Wimberley is just a little bit north of that. So we're gonna go out there and have some fun. So I thought it would just be a good time to do my hair, do my makeup on camera with you, get ready, and then go out to Wimberley and have some fun. Okay, so we are starting off with hair today. So we're gonna let it dry about, I don't know, 50% dry before we do any blow drying, but I'm gonna put this Redken 25 Benefits 1 United into my hair really quick. So this is kind of like a leave-in, softening, soothing treatment for my hair. So my hair, I'm pretty sure I have the Irish style type hair where it curls at the bottom, but then it gets really frizzy as well. So I do my best to try and tame that as much as possible, but you know, she's wild, she's big, she's large and in charge, and we're just doing the best I can with it. So we're gonna put some styling products in there, let it air dry to about 50%, and then we will blow dry it. I don't know if you guys remember, do you all remember the InStyler? So I got the InStyler when I was 16 years old for Christmas, and I still have my original InStyler. So I think I want to do that to my hair today. I haven't done that in months. So I think that I'm going to do a little blowout with my hair and then run the InStyler through it and kind of see how it turns out. My hair sheds like crazy. Every time I brush it, I style it, washing it in the shower. I guess that just comes with having a ton of hair. It is going to shed. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. So it's also a thermal protectant as well. Let's see. So it's also a thermal protectant as well. So I'm just going to spritz that on the ends of my hair. Trying to keep as much damage off of my ends as possible because I have really dark hair, and now in my 30s I'm starting to get my sparkles in, aka little white and silver pieces in my hair, which I'm not really bothered with at all. It doesn't really bother me, but they do poke out quite a bit. So my hairdresser is amazing, and she's been putting a little bit lighter color into my hair and kind of blending them in a little bit more. So of course when you put light on your dark, you want to make sure that you're not going to get a whole bunch of damage and keeping it super hydrated. So yeah, we're gonna try to do all that. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit. I'm just gonna do a quick little speed through of my makeup and then we'll start on my hair again.
No the weekend, painting pictures, you and me. Late night drives, music loud, hearts were speaking. Close my eyes and I was dreaming. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about what love, she gon' love you like summer 15.
Okay, so before I move on, the only thing I've been doing with my eyebrows since it's getting hotter out here in Texas is this L'Oreal brow lamination up to 24 hours. This is amazing. This sticks your eyebrows to your face and it will not move. So I highly recommend getting this guy.
Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about what love, she gon' love you.
And then I also switched my mascara to this Maybelline Lash Sensational, the Luscious one. It's in this black case. So the one that I usually use is the rose gold one that looks similar to this. But I was like, hey, let's try out the black one. I liked the way that the applicator looked, but it is extremely wet formula. So if you don't love the more wet, really dense formulas, you won't love this, but these make your eyelashes look as tall as the Eiffel Tower. It is so good. Watch.
Summer 15, can't see myself without you now, it's overdue. We try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life, playing by the rules. What if I'm changing for the better because of you? Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be.
They are large and in charge. Okay. So I'm gonna let these guys dry. Like I said, it's a very wet formula, and so just the little bit of like smudge or anything, it's going to move. So I always try to make it as dry as possible before I do anything else. But wow, that's crazy.
Forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about what love, she gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing.
Okay, so that's all I'm gonna be doing for my makeup. My hair is probably about 40% dry, so I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit longer. I'm gonna pick out my outfit and then we'll start back on my hair.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey, working on my daydreams, down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen night. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later.
Okay, now this is the state of my hair, all blown out. She is large, okay? Large. There's a lot of hair going on here. So we're gonna tame it with the InStyler. Y'all remember this? I know that they still have these. There's like newer, updated versions, but this one, this is from when I was 16, okay? 16, crazy, and it still works. So we're gonna curl my hair with this. The way that I do it is I just section off my hair because, again, it's a lot to work with, but I section it off and then I curl under. I just keep moving that wand under. So we'll see how it turns out. But at the end of it, it gives it more of this like blown out look, really soft, kind of straight blown out look instead of an actual curl. So I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. So I just get my sections and I'll start over here. I'll start from this little back section. This is about how big of a piece I'll grab. And then we put them right in here and we start curling under. And I just go really slow. And then twist, 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 twist. And there you have it. bouncy end right there. Yep. So I'm gonna go out throughout my entire head, do another little time lapse situation, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end.
I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. We were always living for the weekend, painting pictures, you and me. Late night drives, music loud, hearts were speaking. Close my eyes and I was dreaming. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Can't see myself without you now, it's overdue. I try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life, playing by the rules. What if I'm changing for the better because of you? Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Gon' love you like summer 15. Like summer 15.
Okay, that's what we got. InStyler never fails since I was 16 years old. So we got a little blowout going, got it all finished. How's it look in the back? Let me know. Are we okay? Okay, now it's time to get dressed. Okay, so this is the final look for Wimberley today. So got my hair all blown out, makeup is done. I got some Kinder Scott jewelry on and this blue Amazon dress. Yay! So we're gonna get ready really quick, get Polly situated. Then we're gonna head to the car and we are gonna head to Wimberley. See you there. Okay, we got a little snack check for the road. What are these? Jack Links. 23 grams of protein. Come on. And then we got the Y'all Truck Trail Mix Sweet and Salty. That's actually really cute. You did a good job picking that out. Yay! So we're gonna snack, get on the road, and we'll meet you in Wimberley. We found Kinsey Childs. I can't stop thinking of that lily vase that we found in that first little story we went to. So I think we're gonna go back and go get the lily vase, the crystal. It's better than Mackenzie Childs.
Very good.
This is the vase of my dreams. Thank you. We made it back from Wimberley. We had a very good time. It was a beautiful day, but it was extremely hot. When we went down to the river creek area, there was not a breath of wind and I was silently suffocating down in that area. So it was a hot one. I am covered in sweat. I just am ready for a shower, ready to get cleaned up and cooled off. But before I end the video, I wanted to show you guys just the two little things that we picked up. So the first one, we went to this shop and it was all handmade items by the senior citizens that live in Wimberley. And so I thought that was so sweet. The shop was so cute and the woman that worked in the front, she was super sweet. So I decided to pick something up. So I picked up this half apron, skirt apron. I love this. Hand sewn by one of the ladies that live out there. And it has these beautiful purple, I think those are hydrangeas, purple hydrangeas, and then these little green, this little green flower pattern. So I fell in love with this one and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna support these women out here. This is so cute. So I can't wait to use this during the summer and cook and make little goodies in this little skirt. I'm so excited. And then you all already know I went back to go get this piece, but I am so excited, so excited. So when I go into new towns or just new places, I love finding their thrift shops or their antique shops because you can always find something really special and unique. And so when I saw this, at first I was just like, yeah, it's really beautiful, but do I need it? And then I couldn't stop thinking about it when we were walking around all the other shops. I was like, I think I need it. And it was just screaming my name. It's this beautiful crystal vase and it has these gorgeous lilies that are painted and they're so delicate, like you can barely see it. They said that if you put it next to a window, then the light shines on it and it looks beautiful. But it says it's a Mikasa clear wild lily crystal vase. So I'm so excited for her. I'm gonna put some fresh flowers this week and put her in our kitchen. But yeah, I am stoked about this piece. I love the scallop detailing that's on the top and the ridges that go down right here too. And it is heavy. It is so heavy. I would say this is at least 8 pounds. It feels like it. Feels like 8 pounds or maybe like 7 pounds, something around that. But anyways, I am so excited. I cannot wait to put this with some fresh summer flowers because today is June 1st, so it's officially summer in my book. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate your support so much. I love you all. I hope that you have the most amazing month of June and do a ton of fun summer things, summer activities, arts and crafts, going traveling, being outdoors. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very, very soon.